Okay, so this is going to be my second woodworking YouTube video. Today, all I'm going to try to do is cut two pieces at 45-degree angles and seeing how to line them up really well. Because I think it's supposed to be hard to line them up at a good 45-degree angle and actually have the pieces of wood align, at least from what I've heard. So we'll see. I'm going to try it. My machine already has little measurements along to show the angles, so I'm just going to try to go by that and then see how it works, and then if it doesn't, I'm going to go back to the drawing board and probably give up for the day. And I think I actually will try to do the wood staining like I said last time. I actually have the wood conditioner, the stain, and then the polyurethane, so I'll do some cuts, see how it turns out, and then I'll try the staining. And I'm actually going to use a mask this time because there's actually quite a bit of wood dust. So. I think the thing that holds the wood down, the clamp, is actually in the way of my saw, so that's cool. Yeah, I think that was definitely it. Take two. Oh, I don't like that. I have a problem. Well, my current issue is that I have it set at 45 degrees. Can't even see that. So I have it set at 45 degrees and I don't know how to cut my piece of wood because my clamp is getting in the way of the saw. Like I need a different clamp, I guess. Oh. Well, I could put one underneath, I suppose. But yeah, they should have made this clamp longer so you could, I don't know, clamp it down over here, I guess. Just like a little bit further out of the way. But I don't know. We'll see. If anyone with a ryobi has run into this issue where it hits, please let me know. I don't know how to get around it. I don't want it to hit my clamp when I'm doing that. Okay, I guess I just don't care anymore, so that's okay. I actually didn't figure out how to get the actual saw from hitting the clamp with a 45-degree angle, but even though the first one wasn't at 45, they still line up pretty much perfectly, so I'm going to say it's a win, even though I'm very frustrated. No, actually you can't tell this way. It goes a lot, focus. It goes a lot longer, but still. Well, I guess I'm going to try the staining then anyway. So I've never used the pre-stain wood conditioner. This is going to be my first time, but we'll see how it works. Oh. It smells really bad. but it looks really just clear, like water. I'm not sure if I should dip the same brush in the actual stain. I'm assuming I have to let it dry first anyway. All right, well, while this is drying off, it doesn't focus very well. Whatever, while this is drying off, I'm going to figure out, I don't know how you're supposed to actually clamp this to be able to do the pocket hole cut. I know they line up well, even though one's longer, but I'm still going to try to do the pocket hole. This is a pocket hole. I think I showed it in the first video, but if I can figure out how to clamp these down. I could watch a video, I'm sure it's very easy, but everything seems like it should be easy until you start doing it, and then it turns out it's always kind of a pain. So, yeah, I'm not sure. Now I'm extra confused. That really doesn't make any sense. No. Why is this not easy? Or that way? No, that's definitely not right. I think I have to look up a YouTube video for this. I'm not sure how you're supposed to line up the pocket hole jig to put two pieces together. Like, you don't put the pocket hole jig like this. That makes no sense. Maybe you do. I don't think so. YouTube woodworking really does not dumb it down to the level that I need it right now. I'm just going to use up the rest of the pre-stain on here. Get anything left off the brush. Giving up on the pocket hole screw to get these two angles together today. I'll try it next time, I think. I guess in that one, I'll talk about the different things I learned about how to use the pocket hole jig, since this is more of like documenting what I'm learning. So I'll save that for next time. I thought this would dry a little bit quicker, and I have wood shavings on my brush now. It's mostly dry, I'm just going to try it out. Everything I'm using is this brand. It's really not focusing. All of the stain, the pre-stain, and the polyurethane finish, all of it is this brand. If it would show up. It looks like the most popular one in Home Depot, so that's how I picked it. And I've used it before without the pre-stain, and it didn't turn out well. So I think the pre-stain is supposed to be the thing that makes it look good. I don't think the polyurethane finish is supposed to make it look good. I think that's just to seal the stain, from my understanding, which I haven't looked up. No, that doesn't look right at all. I think I used too much. Okay. I think I'm done. Been through enough today. Bye.